Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to walk you through the process of replacing a keyboard switch on a mechanical keyboard. Specifically, I'll be working on my Machenike K500, which I bought from an online store last year. Wait, last year? Does that mean the switch only lasted a year? Oh well, never mind. Before I went ahead and bought a replacement switch, I checked to see if I could find one from a local online store. Luckily, I did find a set, but here's the catch. You can't just buy 1 or 2 switches. The minimum pack size was 13 pieces, but that's fine. At least now I won't have to go hunting for replacements again if another switch breaks. Oh, and one important thing, if you're buying replacement switches, don't forget to get the keycap and switch remover tool. It's not usually included. Fortunately for me, my keyboard came with a free tool and even 3 spare switches. Lucky, right? All right, let's get into it. Here's the tool I'm using today. The white one is for removing the keycaps, and the stainless steel tool is for removing the actual switches. Now let me show you the replacement switches I got online. The first step is to remove the keycap. Just insert the tool on the side of the keycap. When you hear a little clicking sound, that's your cue to pull up. And just like that, easy as 1, 2, 3. Next up, we need to remove the switch itself. The process is similar, but it requires a bit more force since the switch pins are connected to the logic board. You'll need to insert the tool on both sides of the switch, press your fingers on the tool, and gently move it up and down to release the switch. Now it's time to replace the switch. Before inserting it, double-check the pins to make sure they're aligned with the holes on the logic board. Once they're lined up, gently press the switch down until it locks into place. After that, just pop the keycap back on. All right, I'll go ahead and replace the other broken switches. And voila, all the damaged switches have been replaced. I hope you learned something from today's video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and of course, hit that subscribe button. And make sure to tap the notification bell so you don't miss any updates on new videos. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.